Bali, dumalaw si Balma doon sa aming kapitbahay sa kabilang flat. So, while at work, nag-message na sa akin na parang hindi niya matandaan kung na-scratch ba siya ng aso or na pagat. Okay, you can tell me the whole story?
So first, I was playing and then
You go inside.
what?
Then you go inside the room.
No, I'm in the couch
Okay.
and then his dog escaped the room and
Okay.
then I look at the dog and the dog looked at me and then it went under the
It
table.
barked much?
Yeah, and then it went under the table and then I went over it. I started jumping because it scratched me.
Okay.
Then I went over the table and went behind Gavin's mom and I didn't realize that it scratched me yet.
So the dog jumped at you?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So when Gavin's mom asked if it scratched me, I said no, and then I checked the spot where it still hurt a bit. Then I realized I'm bleeding.
There's a blood?
Yeah.
Less blood.
Yeah.
Let me see. Okay, so yan guys, tingnan natin yung kanyang tingnan ko lang guys yung kanyang parang ano naman kasi pag go up. What here? Up. So bali ito yun guys. So ang tingin ko naman kasi parang hindi siya agad. Parang ano lang siya. Bali dalawa. So hindi niya kasi sure kung nakagat siya or na kalmot, pero sa tingin ko dun sa kanyang sa bakas parang ganito ang style, isa dito. So kalmot siya most probably, even though i-consult ko dun sa may-ari ng pet at baka tatanong ko lang kung anong mga kailangan bibili ng gamot or antibiotic.
Medicine.
Even though they said that they put the medicine,
Yeah, the dog is vaccinated.
and the dog also is vaccinated, so it's really nothing to worry about, but pero hindi pa rin natin kailangan i-take for granted kasi siyempre alam naman natin na ang mga aso or pet is may rabies, even though sila ay dito naman sa Dubai is vaccinated talaga mga kanilang mga alagang hayop or pet. To make sure lang na safe kasi first time yan nangyari. So, how you feel now?
Normal.
Not any like you feel cold or something?
No.
Okay, so that's it guys. Take care lang po at sa mga may mga ganyan mga kaso ng dog bite, what's that? Scratches. So hindi po natin kailangan ipagwalang bahala at pwede natin i-consult sa doctor kung ano man ang pwedeng ilagay natin mga gamot. At yan po ang our vlog for today.
Thank you for watching.
And see you on the next vlog.
Bye.
Always take care guys. Bye.